Tao, maganda. Why? Good morning in the evening. It means new hope, new life, new beginning. There is my favorite RDR guard, Residential Del Rio, Sir Joseph. Ano yung surname mo, sir?
Vista.
Vista? Oh. So, every time I will go out to the subdivision or if I'm nowhere, I cannot ride, I'm just making a call to Sir Joseph to inform the pedicab or the tricycle as being called here, the babaw, that to pick me up. So, Sir Joseph, thank you so much, ha? Sir Joe Mambing. This time, wow, you have your chicken. Yeah. What's your name, sir? Ano gani? Minsan ako nagkatawag dito ba? Sir Monique?
Yes.
Monique, oh. You add me, sir, ha? Sir, alam niya ng pangalan ko. Mambing Erlinda Rendon.
Rendon.
Yeah. Okay. So, this is it. Tomorrow is your duty. So, wave to the camera. Shout out, Sir Monique and Sir Joseph, to your wives, girlfriends.
Hello.
Only one girlfriend. Only one wife. Okay.
Shout out kay Kwan.
Kay?
Aquino. Shout out kay Langga. Langga Aquino.
Asa man na siya?
From Manila.
Manila. From?
Manila, Cebu City.
Kinsan nagpa-shout out?
Monique.
Monique. Apelido ni Monique?
Castro Verde.